Hey guys, welcome back. This week's video is gonna be my Boxy charm. I asked Instagram if they wanted to see Boxy charms of the month and they said yes. So here is my first Boxy charm of the month. So let's see what I got here. Alright, they come with like this little cute little flyer that says Boxy and Chill and a list of the products that we get and how much they cost. So let's see. I'm already extremely excited because I seen these products inside. The first thing that I am already in love with is this Rainforest of the Sea volume number 3 eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. And let me look at the little card and see how much this is. It says limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette volume number 3. It is the value of $36. Now that's already the total of my box, so I'm extremely happy about that. And voila, this is the palette, which it is super cute. It has a lot of shimmer tones inside of it. It doesn't have much matte inside of it, so it doesn't seem like I'd be able to create a whole bunch of full looks with this, but this is a really nice palette of shimmers. And then I got a long-lasting liquid lipstick, Havana Nights from Ofra. So cute. I like this color. It's really pretty. I like this color. And let's see how much this costs. The Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick is at the value of $20. And then I've never seen this company before, but it's a black eyeliner. It's called Star Looks. It's in black and it looks like this. It's a retractable, so it goes up and down. And let's see how black it is. Okay, it's pretty black. It's not bad. I like the way it feels. It's a little creamy. And let's see how much this is. The Star Looks Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil and the value of $19, which it seems really nice. And then we got I don't know how to pronounce this, but we also got this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask for your hair. So we can use this today. Let's see what this is because I've never heard of this before. Okay, Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. Okay, this super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation and micro encapsulated argan oil and an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oils, allergy extract, and biotin help to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. And this is at the value of $16. So we'll go ahead and use this today. And then I'm excited about these. These are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks, and they come with 2 of them. And I know these are not cheap. These are really nice. Let's see how much these are. These are $24. It's a pack of 2 for $24. I'm excited about this. So let's go ahead and use all of these products today. I'm getting ready for work, so this would be awesome for today's looks. I'll make a look using all this stuff out of my Boxy charm today. So the first thing I want to do is use this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. So let's take it. I already feel like it has so much moisture inside. I'm excited. It smells so good. Oh, it's dripping moisture. Don't want to waste it. So my face is clean. I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize with this mask. Ooh, it's really cooling. Feels really good. At least the eye holes and the nose hole is big enough. It fits my entire face. Look how good this fits. Okay, so I'm gonna read the back of this while this is sitting on my face. For centuries, Japanese women would brew botanicals into an enriched elixir captured with leftover kimono silk to create a mask. This practice inspired this silky, soft, skin-fitting sheet mask that delivers a healthy drink of ultra-hydrating botanical oils and extracts for a dewy glow in just one use. Lit. The directions say apply mask and smooth to fit comfortably. Leave for 15 minutes. So we're gonna leave this on my face for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, I didn't realize that I wasn't recording, but I took the mask off and I'm massaging the rest of the serum into my skin. And I'm gonna bring it down my neck. Why not? I don't know how much of this is true, but I heard when you're massaging serums or any facial creams in your face, you're supposed to massage it upwards. So that's what we're gonna do. My skin looks so good. It looks so hydrated and moisturized and like soft. I like this mask so far. Now that I've massaged this into my skin, I know this might be too much, but I'm not sure how my foundation would apply on top of this without a primer. So I'm just gonna add my normal MAC Prep and Prime face primer onto my skin on top of this. Now that I have this all massaged into my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Anastasia brow pomade and do my brows really quickly. Alright guys, I just finished my eyebrows, and if you guys can tell what this mask did to my face, look how dewy and like plump my skin looks. And the foundation on my forehead looks like it went on so freaking smooth. It looks so good. I'm so happy with this little box so far. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. I am gonna have to use another palette because this palette doesn't have enough matte shades inside of it. It only has one, which is this one, and it's called Tiki, which is too light for my skin. It's really like a really good brow bone color for me, but not necessarily to put in my crease to give my crease any dimension. So I am gonna pull out my Morphe Social Butterfly palette, and the first shade that I'm gonna take is this one right here. Take out the creases on my lid before I start applying any shadows, just so everything goes over nice and smoothly. Then I'm taking my Elu Cosmetics Elu 13 brush, and I'm adding that right in my crease. I really actually like the mirror in this palette because it is so big, so crystal clear. It's really beautiful. I love this Social Butterfly palette. Like, look how pretty this transition shade is. Like, it's so gorgeous. Then I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe Social Butterfly palette and use this shade right here, which is called Mimi Girls. And I'm gonna add this literally right in my crease and drag it all the way in and bring it all the way out. And I'm gonna put some on my outer corner like this. Bring it all back in, doing circular motions like this. Going back in with that shade called Late Night Graham. On the same brush, I'm just gonna blend out this green shade a little further like this because I don't want it to be too dark, but I want it to be that little cute wash of green in there. And once I get that little light wash of green in my lids, I'm gonna go in with the Rainforest palette, and I'm gonna be adding a few of these shades on my lid. The first shade I'm gonna use is Compass. Very nice champagne shimmer tone. I'm gonna add that to the inner portion of my lid first. And then I'm gonna take the shade Jewels and apply that right next to it. This is a really pretty like golden coppery color. And then right next to that, I'm taking the shade Malibu and I'm adding that to the back. Taking some of that green on a more denser blending brush and blending some more of that green in my crease and on my outer corner just to blend all this together. Now I'm going to use the black eyeliner that the Boxy Charm came with. I believe this is a waterproof eyeliner. Yep, it says long wear, so I take that as waterproof. And I'm going to add that right in my white line. To tidy up the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and add my Tarte black eyeliner, and I'll be right back. And I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and kind of like clean up my eyeliner because I got a little messy on this side. I'm going to clean that baby right up, make it nice and sharp. Now that my eyeliner is on, I'm going to go ahead and add on a pair of lashes. And I'm using some nice pretty spaced out flary lashes. These are super cute. So let's go ahead and size them on my eye first. So I'm just taking these lashes, seeing how much I have to cut, and usually I have to cut a lot. I don't know about you guys, but I am so impatient. Like, it only takes about 30 seconds for this glue to get tacky, and every time I go to put on my lashes, I'm like, ugh, 30 seconds. I don't know about you guys, but that's me. Okay, then I'm taking a pair of tweezers and adding that right on top of my lashes and placing that right down. Alright guys, now that I have the lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara. I'm just going to use the Maybelline Sensational mascara, and I'm adding it just to the roots of my lashes to conceal them a little better. I'm not really putting it on the falsie, I'm adding it on the roots of my lashes. Alright, before we finish up with the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do my face. I'm using my regular Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, and I'm adding this to my skin with a Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge. Ooh, look how this foundation is laying over my skin now, y'all. On some real, that face mask is my most liked thing out of this Boxy charm so far. I'm loving the skincare. Y'all, I use my foundations to the last drop, okay? It has to be completely all the way gone. Like when I'm bouncing the bottle on my hand, there's literally nothing coming out of it. Like all you hear is hollow on the inside. Nothing else. Nothing else is coming out of that thing. I use it all. And then I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm adding this under my eye and between my nose and up on my forehead as well. Then I'm taking my sponge, taking it on this side and bringing it up and blending this on out. And then I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm gonna set under my eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This stuff lasts so long. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I bought this setting powder maybe over a year ago and I use this damn near every single day to set my face and to set under my eyes and stuff. Like everlasting powder. And then I'm taking my old regular Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm adding this to set my face. And then I'm taking my Juvias Place the Saharan Blush Palette Volume number 2. Taking my bronzer in the shade of Yarrow. And I'm adding that right in my bronzing areas of my face. I love this bronzer. And I think I mentioned how bomb this bronzer is all the time because I literally was on a search for a bronzer probably for a year. And one day I just ordered this blush palette thinking this blush palette was going to be like just bomb as fuck, period, for its blushes. I didn't even think to use this as a bronzer at first. And then I just used it as a bronzer one day, like, and it ended up being like the best discovery of my life. Then taking a small contouring brush and contouring down my nose just a little bit. Taking my Milani Luminoso blush because I'm not doing anything really different to the face. If it's working, don't knock it, you know. Taking my Rimmel Face Trio in golden bronze and highlighting my face with the highlighter in here. Okay, today, yes, I packed on my highlighter, so I gotta go over this one just a little bit more on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow. Finishing up the bottom of my eye, I'm going back in with the Social Butterfly palette and taking the shade that I add as my transition color, and I'm adding that literally right on my lower lash line, all the way in. And I'm gonna build this shade up a little bit so that it shines through under the green when I put it in there. Now for the real test, guys, I'm going back in with the Star Looks black eyeliner and I'm adding that down. It seems pretty black, y'all. It looks really nice. Like, then going back to the Social Butterfly palette, picking up Mimi Girls, which is that green, adding it nice and close to my lash line and smudging out that black as well. And then I'm going back over the edges of the green with some of that nice peachy shade just to blend it all out. And then going back in with the Rainforest of the Sea palette and taking the shade Escape and adding that in my inner corners. Ooh, really nice shade to brighten up the inner corners with. Then I'm just going to go back in with the shade Compass and add that right on my brow bone just so that my brow bone can pop a little more. Then I'll go back in with the brush that we added, that beautiful peach shade, and blend the transition and the brow bone color together. Now I'm gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes. And for the lips, I'm using what came in my Boxy charm, which is the shade Havana Lights from Ofra. I'm gonna shake it up before I apply it on, just so that it's all shooketh. Adding that right on. This is my first time wearing any Ofra products, period. It coats evenly on my lip. Feels really smooth and lightweight. It's going on pretty evenly without a lip liner. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat because I feel like this might need a second coat. But I did have to dip my little doe foot applicator back in it a few times to get this one even layer, which I don't mind. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my lips real quick. So I'm just going to take some of my foundation, add it to the back of my hand, and clean up the edges of my lip. So gorgeous, like, look at this lipstick. I added 2 layers of this lipstick and it really still feels like there's nothing on my lips. I really like this lipstick. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face really quickly. I don't know, maybe this is like a coincidence, but every time I do a green eye, I seem to pair it up with a dark lip. I don't know, that could just be a coincidence, but okay. And the last thing that came in my BoxyCharm is this hair conditioner. So let's see if it leaves me looking my very best. My hair is freshly washed. It has nothing inside of it. It is a small bottle and my hair is really long, but we are gonna see what is up. I'm gonna take the makeup out of my little baby hairs or whatever. We're just gonna go ahead and apply this in my hair. Ooh, it smells so good. So it is a leave-in conditioner, so I'm guessing it's supposed to make my hair feel soft too. But for right now, it's really feeling more like oils. Make sure I get it all in my hair. Then I'm just gonna take a brush and brush through it. My hair is brushing out pretty good. And when you brush your hair, I learned this a while ago, but you're not supposed to like brush straight through it when you have naps. You're supposed to brush it until you feel it like this, and then pick your brush up and brush it out like that so that it doesn't break your hair, because you going like this and, you know, pulling on your hair and doing all of that can damage your hair, and you don't want to damage your hair. So that part. So my hair brushed out pretty nicely. It smells really good. Feels really soft too, but I can definitely feel that this is nothing that I can kind of style my hair with. So I'm gonna have to go in with my normal styling cream, and what I use is the Jane Carter Solutions Curl Drench, which is bomb for my hair. Like, my hair loves this stuff. It leaves my hair nice and shiny, really soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this right on top of it, just so that my hair doesn't frizz up. This is gonna help control the frizz. Bring it all the way down to the ends. So I'm just scrunching my hair up like we all normally used to. My little baby hairs like this, and get some on that because these things can be running wild. Alright guys, now that my hair is done, my look is complete. Alright guys, I know I look a little different, what I'm wearing and stuff, but the look is the exact same. I don't know what was going on with my memory card the other day when I did record this look, but I wasn't able to record. It was saying that my memory card was too full, so I ended up finding out how to fix it, and I ended up fixing it. So I'm here back today just to let you guys know this look was complete. I hope you all did enjoy this look. I really did love my BoxyCharm of the month. I like this palette that I ended up getting from Tarte with all these shimmer shades. It has beautiful shimmer shades, not necessarily any defining crease shades, but for me this is a lot of lid colors that I can use on an everyday base, and I really liked it. This Ofra lipstick here, this was such a great lipstick. I wore it to work, very comfortable. The only thing is you did get a little bit of transfer. Even if I did rub my lips together, like doing something like that, my lipstick stayed on. It just did come off a little bit when I drank off a straw or something like that, which is normal. No lipstick is gonna last when you're drinking or when you're eating. I ended up really liking this black eyeliner, guys. It stays in my waterline, and I didn't have much black eyeliner coming out from my inner corners, which I usually always have. I love this tatcha mask. I had my skin feeling so silky smooth. It was looking plump and very pretty. The last thing is this Don't Despair hair repair hair mask, and I really actually like this. It makes my hair feel really like soft. I don't see any repairing just yet, but I actually do like it. It's a nice little hair mask that I put in my hair, and it made my hair feel good. So we'll go ahead and see how it is. If it does repair my hair, I will go ahead and let you guys know on a further update. And that's all I got in my BoxyCharm, guys. I really loved my BoxyCharm box. If you guys like videos like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up or comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. I have Instagram and Facebook. It's all at Santina Marie. Until next time, guys, bye.